I can.
Yeah, me sure stuff.
Your hands aren't long enough.
It's funny because you're small.
I am not small.
Really?
Can you help me?
Get a shot, please.
I am. I'm filming it all. No worries. I will send it to your phone.
Awesome. Then we'll know how to send videos.
Hey, the butt's not supposed to be holding the thing up.
Measure it right there.
Oh, okay. This ought to be interesting. This will go down in history. The night that Grandma had to help measure the girls' butts.
Yeah, 38 and a half.
Holy crap! Shara, that's as wide as my waist. You have a 16 butt.
Told you. Alright.
Are you kidding me? Wow. You might want to help Miss Chain Gang. And the chains don't count. Oh, they're down.
I think you're not as big as she is.
Definitely not.
This could be very interesting, though.
Oh yeah. Can make you feel better about yourself forever.
Oh.
What are you doing? Molestation. Not for my family. That's incest, you know.
Yeah, but you should see me with Uncle Mike. It doesn't matter anymore.
Well, you two were,
Really weird.
yeah. You two were kind of out there.
Holy, it's still going?
Yep, still going.
She's got you beat by a few inches.
Yep.
Wait, woo, what is that? 43.
Oh, only by what, 3.5 inches?
Oh!
Yeah, that's right. You got told. My butt is bigger than your butt. All the way.
Give me some of this entertainment.
Well, I'll tell you one thing.
Aren't you proud of me? I have a bigger butt than Shara. Oh, happy day.
Jerry, do you have them all beat?
No, I got her by 3 inches. You're up here.
No, you'll win big time.
2 for 2. But I got you both beat.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
It comes with the...
Well, my rib cage is 32 inches. I think you're